What is going on, everybody? DJ Minds here. We're here with your friend Andy. He's a millionaire. We're going to be asking him for advice. So Andy, if you're 21 years old, your name's Timmy, you got $5,000 to your name, what would you do?
I wish I was 21 years old again and named Timmy with $5,000 to my name. That sounds like a pretty nice setup. It's like start investing as soon as you possibly can. The number one way you can get ahead in life is just like starting earlier than everybody else. The longer you wait, the less compound interest you have on your side. So if I could go back to my 21-year-old self, who was an idiot with like credit cards and debt and no money to my name and no investments, I would just say, start investing as soon as you possibly can. Please, I'm begging you.
Now, what would you invest in? Would you say crypto? Would it be stocks?
I'm like a big advocate of starting with the basics, which is like S&P 500, low-cost index fund type stuff as a foundational layer, and then build on top of that with higher risk, plays, as long as you feel comfortable and you actually understand what you're buying. Most people get in the crypto space and they have no idea what they're buying or why they're buying it. They're just buying because of FOMO or emotions or whatever. So all that is great, and I've made a lot of my money and a lot of my wealth with crypto, but I understood it when I got into it, and I made a lot of mistakes and lost a lot of money before I understood it. So yeah, crypto and that type of stuff, but put in the legwork first.
What about real estate? I've seen that from a lot of YouTubers, not necessarily you recommending it, but a lot of people get real estate, buy this massive apartment. Do you think that's probably not good for Timmy, or?
I don't know. I own a house, and I have an Airbnb rental in the backyard of said house, and that is my entire real estate empire. So I'm not the real estate guy. It's a great place to put money if you find the right location and the right prices and stuff, and maybe not right now the right interest rates on your mortgage and stuff. But I like other methods of building wealth.
Okay, and one more question, Andy. Who is your favorite YouTuber, besides yourself, obviously, that you would recommend to the people out there?
Ooh, who is my favorite YouTuber? And recommended for what? Just for entertainment value, for financial advice?
Finance. Anything finance. Making some money. Timmy needs money.
When I started on YouTube watching people, I was watching like the Graham Steffans, the Andre Jicks of the world. But those guys, as much as I love them and as much as I would like to be in their shoes, they just kind of cover, the daily news on finance and stuff. So if you watch those types of guys, maybe just rewind the clock and watch some of the older stuff, the more foundational stuff, to like build that layers, and then you can start diving into like what the Fed did last week and that type of stuff. Yeah.
Thank you, Andy. It's been a pleasure, brother.
Yeah, man. It's fun.
Appreciate y'all.